Hey all, I'm Anita here from United Kingdom. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn a basic artwork using simple techniques and strokes using acrylic colors. As all of us are going to celebrate Mother's Day in a couple of days, I have taken a picture of mother and daughter and I'm going to make this as an art. So let's move on and see what are the materials we need to make this painting. I have a 16 by 14 inches size acrylic pad with me. The brushes I am going to use is half inch flat brush, number 12 flat brush and number 4 brush which is of animal bristles, and angular brush which is of size again 4, and a round brush and a 00 size brush which I need it for the liners. The colors which I am going to use is ultramarine blue, white, cadmium red, sap green and yellow. Also black and titanium white, which I need it later, so I haven't placed it on my palette. I have already given a skin color on my acrylic sheet. This is how I would like to start. It's not a must for you to start. You can directly do it on a white sheet. So I have started by making sky, and I have made it as much as light I can because I have to also bring in some clouds and some more shades later stage. Then I'm heading towards making the point where seashore and sky meets. So it is always starts with a darker edge. Anywhere you see it is naturally a darker edge, and then it slowly flow down into a sky colors, and sometimes you may find also green. That is the reason I am using the sap green to mix it with blue and give that green touch. I am fast forwarding the session for you. If you want to look at the techniques and strokes in detail, please slow down. You can mute my voice, and if you slow down, it would be easy for you to observe each and every techniques and to practice further. So I have started painting the waves, and you can see that I am using white, and the brush which I am using is the animal bristles, which helps me to give the texture, the real texture. And also we need to keep ensuring that we are keeping them in one direction because we are trying to show it as flowing on the right side. So we need to be maintaining this consistency until we are painting the seashore. Hope you all are enjoying watching this. I have also did some of the art for Mother's Day and Women's Day last year. It is there in the playlist called Mother's Day and Women's Day. So please have a look at them. I have used very simple techniques and strokes to make some of the art which are really quick and easy for a beginner. So give them a try. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe with bell icon for a future mesmerizing artworks. Here I am mixing the skin color using the cadmium red, yellow, ultramarine blue and white. And I'm getting the right texture. I'm trying to make it little dark, and slowly I'm trying to bring it to the lighter shades because I need to give the shadow. The skin color where the direct light appears will be lighter than the opposite side of the skin. So we need to have three different shades and we need to blend them. For hair, I have given the black as a base and then I use the cadmium red and yellow and more of yellow, as that will help me to show the lighter part of the hairstyle and will obviously show the texture of hair. If you see, I have given a very simple basic strokes and techniques which anybody can follow. If you are a beginner, this is the right art for you to give a try, because I am not going too in depth or going for a fine textures. This is very basic strokes which I am using and anybody can follow this. So please give a try. If you are new to the artworks, please do give a try. Art is a great relaxing therapy for anyone who is in stress or who would like to just be happy for a moment. Now I'm heading towards the beautiful part, which is the most loved part from my end, making clouds, and I have a easy technique to make it. As you can see that I am using number 4, the brush which has animal bristles, which helps me to again give the texture of cloud. Here you got to observe my strokes and need to practice a lot. Once you start practicing some strokes, automatically you will generate your own strokes and techniques. You will start following your own techniques. You will get to know more about how you can make your art better. So it's all about practice and taking interest. So we are at the end of our session. Thanks for watching and being with us. Keep sharing and keep loving us. I'll meet you soon with a new mesmerizing artwork. Until then, bye.